Is your Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 stuck at this infuriating loading screen?
Just when you're ready to dive into action, the game decides to hang you out.
Don't worry, I've got you covered with real fixes that work.
Today, I'll show you 3 straightforward, quick fixes that'll get you back into the game in minutes. Let's jump straight into it and avoid all that unnecessary waiting. Our first solution is clearing out those sneaky cache files. Over time, these files build up, causing loading issues.
Here's how to do it step by step. Go to your game's file location.
Look for the folder labeled cache or temp.
Delete everything in there. Don't worry, these files are safe to remove. If you haven't updated your graphics drivers in a while, that could be the culprit.
Updated drivers ensure your system is fully compatible with Modern Warfare 3, giving you a smoother experience overall.
Mention that keeping drivers up to date can also improve FPS and overall performance.
Sometimes loading issues happen because of corrupted or missing files.
Luckily, game clients like Steam or Battle.net have a built-in repair feature that can fix this.
On Steam, right-click on Modern Warfare 3 in your library. Select Properties, go to Local Files, and choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. On Battle.net, click on the gear icon next to Modern Warfare 3 and select Scan and Repair.
If none of these worked, try restarting your router or even reinstalling the game if you're facing network-related errors.
Right, that's it.
If any of these fixes worked for you, hit the like button and let others know in the comments.
And don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date with all the latest fixes and gameplay guides.